Hey there friends, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to be doing a decorate with me video sharing my autumn bedroom decor. We start our day in our bedroom and we end our days in our bedroom, so why not make it feel like a cozy retreat? And I'm going to be sharing items to help you feel more relaxed and wake up feeling rested and refreshed. Plus, we're going to be whipping up these delicious pumpkin biscuits. If you're new to our channel, my name is Karen and welcome. We would love it if you would take a moment to subscribe for more decorating, cooking, and day in the life videos. When deciding to add some seasonal decorative pieces to your room, of course you want to picture what the theme is going to be. And as usual, I go to Pinterest and look at my various seasonal magazines for inspiration. Just like layering your outfits and throwing on a cozy cardigan, I feel the same goes for our bedrooms. I like to layer my bedding, especially for those chilly days when I want to take an afternoon siesta and cuddle up with a warm and cozy blanket. I've chosen the gold and spice hues for our bedroom this year to create a sense of autumnal warmth and coziness. Well friends, if you know me, you know how I love to take an afternoon nap, especially on Saturdays. But you know, your biggest fear always is because I'm always showered and basically ready for the day, and I don't want to mess up my hair. So before, I would be laying back like this in fear of messing up my hair, making it all frizzy. But I do have a secret for that, and if you've been following our channel long enough, you know what that secret is. But I'm really excited to be sharing with you today that this portion of today's video is sponsored by a company named LILYSILK. But I want to first talk about this silk pillowcase, which you know how much I love silk pillowcases. And with my hair not having to wash it every day, it still looks so good when I wake up in the morning, not to mention so many more benefits you get from using a silk pillowcase. First, I want you to take note of the beautiful recycled packaging that each item comes in with LILYSILK. In this box is this beautiful envelope silk pillowcase. It is made from 100% grade 6A mulberry silk. It comes in 15 different beautiful shades. It is skin friendly and breathable, and it's also certified free of harmful chemicals. This charmeuse silk is glossy, smooth, and soft. The thread count is 400. And I love this envelope closure at the side. Let's talk about this SOS shirt in Lily White, and it comes in 3 colors. Friends, this is the most beautiful, elegant, and classy shirt. What I love about it is it's really designed for more of an oversized fit. I do know that they have more of a slim fit if that's something that you would prefer. So super soft, and I love how you can wear it. You could see that I have it tied for a different kind of a look, or you can wear it untucked. It looks effortlessly, or how I showed you here is as a nightshirt. I mean, how elegant is this? So let's talk about this silk sleep eye mask. First of all, it comes in 10 shades. It's 100% quality silk. Again, skin friendly, breathable, it's light, it's soft. And I know some people do have problems sleeping with maybe there's some light. I know I like to sleep when it's totally dark, but if you have not tried sleeping with an eye mask, especially a silk one, friends, you don't know what you're missing. First of all, it's good at blocking out light. It also is super soft, so it's very smooth against your skin. And silk is rich in 18 amino acids, which means it's hyperallergenic, anti-aging, ideal for skincare and health. Also, the silk fabric helps to keep moisture close to the skin and stop it from drying out overnight. So if you have not tried, highly suggesting, friends, I'm gonna have all this linked in the description section. You are going to get a fabulous night's rest. You don't have to worry about your skin because it actually benefits it. Friends, I am in love with this one size silk tank top with built-in bra. It feels like butter on your skin. It is supportive, it's stretchy, it's comfy, it's soft, it's breathable, skin friendly, suitable for sensitive skin, which is fabulous. With adjustable straps, fits just about every body shape, and it's best suited for anyone who wears like a traditional band between 31.5 and 40 inches, so an A to D cup. Okay, let's get back into the decorating part of the video with my decor details and additional decorative pieces. So as I mentioned before, I wanted to go with the gold and spice hues to create the animal warmth and coziness. So I started off with this Aloe Moss stitch knit pillow with pom-pom trim. And then again, Bee and Willow, I have the white corduroy. It's actually called Coconut Milk Throws. And then the Harvest Square throw pillow in pecan with the leaves on it. And then the oblong pillow is in rust. And of course, to create the coziness, I'm loving this cable knit reversible throw, and I chose the shade Heather Gray. And then off to the left, this chunky throw was something that we had on the Two Orchids boutique last year, and I love it. And I thought, again, just adding some more layering pieces. And of course, when you're decorating, it's very nice to add a tray. And I got this floral bouquet, this fall bouquet with my book, Good Morning, Good Life. And of course, my eye mask and a pumpkin. Why not, right? I wanted to add a few more decorative pieces here in our bedroom. This magnolia leaf garland I thought was so pretty. I love the hues, and I thought it went beautifully with the wood in our furniture, and I really like the way it just feels like it brings the room all together and makes it just a little bit more cozier looking. Another piece that went along with the family of the garland, again, was this magnolia leaf lotus pumpkin floral. And again, I love the wood base to it, and I thought this would look really pretty on my dresser. After filming this video, I received one of the items that I had ordered, and I was so excited. I wanted to go ahead and get it in our bedroom and share it with you. And this is a dimmable candle warmer lamp. And so what you do is you put your candle, your jar candle, underneath it, and the bulb is like very warm, and it melts the wax, so you don't have to worry about a candle burning or any soot or anything like that. And the aroma smells so fabulous of any candle of your choice. And again, it's on a dimmer and there's a timer. I love it, and it creates such ambience in our bedroom. And so I did move the other candle holder that I had into our powder room, and I just love the coziness this makes our room feel and smell. Friends, I hope you hung around long enough for the end of this video, where we're gonna whip up these delicious pumpkin biscuits with honey butter. These pumpkin biscuits are so delicious and super easy, and I had everything here on hand, so it was perfect to make for this morning. All you need is 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. I chose to use a gluten-free flour, 2 tablespoons plus 1 teaspoon of sugar, and I chose to use monk fruit, 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 3/4 cup of canned pumpkin puree, and a 1/4 cup of butter melted, and of course then some honey. And I decided to whip up some honey butter, and all it is unsalted butter softened with some honey. And let me tell you, that was the icing on the cake for these delicious biscuits. Friends, I hope that you enjoyed this video today. Simple ways that you can dress up your room a little bit for the seasons, make it comfy and cozy, and just give it that feel that when you're in it, you can be relaxed. And again, like I said earlier, it's the first place you're in the morning, the last place when you rest your head at night. So why not make it your sanctuary? I hope that you, again, took some tips from this video. I will link everything in the description below of all these wonderful items. And again, thank you so much to LILYSILK for sponsoring a portion of today's video. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me today. Let me know what your favorite part of this video was, and if you make the recipe, I want to know how much you are loving these pumpkin biscuits. Happy fall, friends. Love you, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.